Yo guys, silverGameOfThrones is here. Welcome to my no. Welcome to my no. As Philip mentioned yesterday, I did a nice video, Silver Shield or Truth Never Told. And I was talking about spot premium, another fad, because it's fad, guys. It's fad. It's all bullshit, you know. It's all bullshit. There is only real stuff, silver, gold, best crypto, you know. But if we talk about silver, for me personally, it's all about collection. So if it's not collectible, I'm just not dealing with this, you know. And for example, what we have here, you know, and this is silver squeeze, right? You know, I'm doing the silver squeeze for last 5 years, okay? So for me, it's just average, okay? For some people who are new in this market, you know, they want to go all in, you know, I never recommended it. These crocs have so much power, guys, unbelievable. So just doing it on, you know, on silver dollar cost average, you know, that's what I'm doing, you know. When I have cash, I put in silver, and I put not only in silver, you know, because I build it my base. I put into collections, okay? So let's see what silverGameOfThrones is buying, okay? And there is not much to buy last days, I'm telling you. You know, probably it's last year or two when I still able to build collections. Not much to buy these days, okay? Yeah, so what I have today, so I bought Australia Dolphin, of course, okay? Now I bought two of them. To be honest, last time we will talk about this. Last time I bought pack of 20 and I was able to resell them. And it was a good deal, right? Because it was a prices like around $25-30, and you can resell it $60. But you don't forget, guys, you know, these fees are crazy, you know. When you sell on eBay, they charge you 30% fees, right? And, you know, in addition to all your expenses and shipping and all this, you know, it's not much profit. So this time I decided not to buy because it's already, you see, it's $43, guys. So, you know, $43. So what are you gonna make profit here, right? Its profit is so small, like, you know, to invest $50 to get $5 profit, like, and then after all expenses. Okay, bottom line, I only bought a couple of them this time. I also bought the Swan. I have full collection of Swan. We will talk about this. And I bought Barbados Silver Caribbean Pelican. Very interesting. I will try to find which collection it belongs. Okay, so let's start from Swan. All right, because Swan is look like the most beautiful. And you know, guys, I am big fan of Mint collections, and I just love them. You know, it's the best collection in my premium collections. Best coins in my premium collections. Okay, so I have a lot of them, probably like 100, but they're all collections, guys. Most of them, you see, this guy is not only. I have 2-3 which I still, you know, try to find out. Okay, this is my Swan collection, okay? This is my Swan collection, and this is my Dolphin collection, okay? So we'll be talking about these two collections now. Okay, so Swan, what do we have here? Yeah, Swan. So Swan, they started this collections in 2018. Okay, this was single, right? Then in 2019, they still have the single. No, 17. Sorry. Okay, let's go from left to right. Okay. Let's go to left to right. This is the first one, 17, okay? Guys, and this, they are hell expensive. They go like about $100, if I'm not wrong. Sometimes they throw in the market more, but the quality of these coins, you know, it's unbelievable, unbelievable, okay? So this is the fourth coin in this collection, unique design. Of course, it's 25,000. I cannot say it's small, I cannot say it's big, okay? It's good for them to make money, okay? Because people are like them and buying them. Somewhere a year or two, it started to spark. It was not so popular in 2017, but 1920, this is when people really started to buy them, okay? Yeah, I think this is the best coins in my collection. I mean, best coins, like, for best coins in my collection, of course, is Chris Diani, you know, Silver Shield. But, you know, if I talk about beauties, you know, so reverse, you see, they all have the swans, you know, the single swan. Then they have, I think, this is 2020 and 2019. Yes, so this is 2019. This is 2019. There are three of them, you know. They came from two, you know, this was one. Then they, you know, they published two, you know, the big and small one. And then now we have three, you know. Oh, this is a pair, you know. This is a pair and a small one here. And now, you know, because nothing to explore more, right? So what they put, you know, 20 swamps here, so they are coming back to single one, right? But now on another dimension, right? Now it is more like, you know, make it bigger. What a beautiful swan, right? I don't know, like for me, when I see sea or water, it look like much better, right guys? You see, they were all on water, you know, and there is no space, right? So what they think, okay, we'll remove the water and put it like this. What do you say? I think this is much better, guys. Ask me, the previous year were much better, you know. This year is kind of, I don't know, but still it's very popular, it's very collectible. You know, and I collect them, you know. Yeah, oh, sorry, they have a little bit water, but so little, right? You see? Because they have, you know, they try to increase the swan itself, and then, you know, they decrease the water. Okay, that's fine. In the end of the day, guys, you know, you need to stop this, you know, fat, you know, spot price, premium price. There is only one price, the physical price you pay. That's it, okay? This is the price, $43. That's it, okay? Forget about all this fat, you know, how much I overpay, you know, who cares? When you're going to sell or when you're going to give it as a gift to your family, you know, all they need to know what is the value of this, okay? And if it will be in dollar or it will be in Bitcoin or it will be in Ethereum, what is the value of this coin in our current nominal? That's it, guys. This is it. This is how simple it is, okay? Okay, so we have 4 of these bad guys, okay? Now, Swan collection. Okay, so this is done. This is done. Coming next, the Dolphins, okay? So, as I said, I bought 2 of them. Probably one I will resell one, maybe. I'll see. Maybe give a gift. You know, the future will decide. Okay, so I have 2 of them. As I said, I had 20 of them, you know. I was able to resell them, and I keep a couple of them. So I have, this is 2019, and this is 2000. Many people complain the quality of them were not top. You know, it was a lot of milk spots, okay, on these coins. Yeah, especially the 2020, I think. No, mine is okay. But it was some milk spots, you know, some imperfection, okay? The quality, people complain that the quality is not as it was before. So beautiful, right? Especially this coin. 25,000, yeah. And you know what Upmax is? Exclusive Upmax. And what they said, okay, here we go. This is number 3. And what they said now, that this one, they call it father? How they call it? Fraser dolphin. They call it Fraser dolphin. You see? You know, it's the same like a swamp. They make it 1, now they make it 2. And trust me, the next one, it will be 3 of them. And then after this, they will come to 1, but bigger. What is my button, you know? Bullshit. Okay, yes. We're gonna see this, right? But this is a Swan. Oh, sorry, this is a Dolphin, right? This is how they make it. 25,000. They say no more than 500 in one hands. No more than 500. Because they knew that people try to resell them. They are very good for resell values. And I'm telling you, I resell 20 of them. I know they are selling fast, okay? Yeah, quick buck. If you want to make quick buck, you may buy it. But again, 40 bucks. You know, I'm an experienced seller. I know what I'm talking about. The 40 bucks is not near you will try to resell them, you know. People are not willing to pay 60, 70 bucks. And for 50 bucks, no, there is no profit here, you know. It's only a headache. Okay, so before you put your money, you know, you do your math, you do your calculation, okay. So yeah, this is very nice. A nice one, you know. There is something about this, you know, the sea, the sunrise, you see, on sunset. We don't know what is it, but there is something about sun, water, and dolphin, right? There is something very, very, how can I say, if you switch your imagination up, then you can say, oh, I am on a beach, I'm watching this, you know. People like all these pictures, you know. Okay, I am no exception. I also like it, okay. So we have one more. Fraser Dolphin, right, 2021. Okay, so we're done with them. And now we are coming to something interesting. We are coming to Caribbean, Barbados. Caribbean, Barbados Pelican, okay? So, Caribbean, Barbados Pelican. So let me find out what is going on here. So I have Barbados, some of my Barbados collection are here. So what I have for Barbados collection, I have this two lionfish. Yeah, lionfish. But I don't think this belongs to this because you see the this is I think reverse. No, obverse. This is obverse, right? The obverse is so beautiful on them, you know. But for this, it's not so. You know, for this it's like a flat, you see? This one is flat, it's a different, it's much simple, right? I like this, you know, I like this obverse. It's one of the best what I can see in the community, right? So this is what I have. Then I have also this trident. Yeah, I have trident, you know, I have all them and they are also very beautiful, very different, okay? So these tridents have the same obverse, right? Yeah, Barbados. That's all Barbados. It's how beautiful it is. Let me make it close, guys, so you can enjoy the picture. Barbados. How beautiful the obverse. Wow. Yep. So I do collect them all. Tridents. Okay. So these are tridents, and I have one more. I think I have one more. Okay, this is also, no, this is Samoa. No, this is not belong, but this one I think belong. Okay, so let me talk about this one belong, okay, because the obverse is the same, you see, the obverse is the same on them, and they are seahorse. And you see the kind of the same style, okay? So let me open this. Because as I say, Silver Game of Thrones is all about collections. So what I do, I usually buy one coin and then I watch. And if I cannot build collection, then I just resell. This is me, okay? This is my style because I don't like, I have too many of them. So I don't like to keep any of them, you know, just single. I like to build collections, okay? Because I'm looking to future. I see where I will be in the, like 3-4 years. Okay, so yeah, you see, if you look on style, this kind of the same style. So I think this is a collection. Now, will they continue this Caribbean Sea horse, or they will make another collection like Caribbean Pelican? I think it will be another collection, Caribbean Pelican, like they started this Caribbean Seahorse, because I don't see how they correlated. Even the same style, you see, they had the same style, but I think it will be new one. Okay, so that's how I do my analysis. So my expectation will be It will be a new collection, you know, Caribbean Pelicans started 2021. And they may be finished with this. They make it 3 of them, okay? It will be done, okay? This is done. And now they started new, okay? We're gonna see. Will they continue the seahorse? Not, but this is how I see the value, okay? This is how I see the value in all these collections. Again, it will be just standalone, then I, you know, go to resell it. But if it's collective, because usually the value of this coin, you know, have all 3 in one hands, minimum 20-30% more, okay? So I always look from 2 sides. I try to collect, and I always see how I'm going to resell it, if I need it, okay? I'm not, you know, to resell such beautiful collection, but if I need it, then I always look like, okay, what are my chances, okay, to resell it. Okay, so this is the Pelican, yeah, not what it represents. Wow, look on this skies. Wow, look on here. Wow, they really try to make it with the skies. Oh, wow, very interesting. Yeah, Pelican with its wings span out, soaring over the ocean. Below Pelican, the graphic images representing waves of the ocean. It's kind of waves of the ocean, the graphic images. Caribbean silver, purity and year of reverse. No, really, really nice, you know. I like collect these pieces, especially when you buy one, you don't buy many of them, you know. And for me, if I'm going to buy, let's say, I need to stack 100 ounces of silver. So I better stack varieties of silver, like, you know, all this different collection for the same price. How much I pay for this? $35. Then I'm going to pay like $35 for American Eagle, you know. Because, you know, we have more chances to even to resell it, you know. Not going to resell it back to dealer, but, you know, on all these independent platforms. Very nice Caribbean silver. Okay, so this will be another collection, guys. Okay, the seahorse and Caribbean silver. We're gonna see how it will be continued. Okay, so Silver Game of Thrones was with you. If you like my silver collections, you know, please subscribe, hit notification, and put your comments. What you guys collect, and do you see value in such collection? Okay, on a long term. I definitely see values here. Okay. Especially when on obverse you see something different from this, you know, Queen Elizabeth, you know. So when, you know, all this dynasty, all this, you know, corrupted power will fail, people will not like to see this on a coins, okay? Because it will represent, you know, the old world, you know, the old world of slavery, of corruption. But people will try to see something different like this, okay? So I do collect both sides, but I see better value here, okay? Because this value represent independence. This value represent, you know, the country by itself, you know, and not a global elite. This is a global elite. This is how global elite want to rule, okay? Even if they try to make it beautiful and nice, you know, don't fool us. We know what you want, okay? That's why we see value here. Beautiful and nice, guys. This is still for sale. I'm sure you'll find out, you know, the beauty of this coin in your hands. Pelican, especially these pieces are so unique. Okay, so Silver Game of Thrones is out, and like, subscribe, share, connect, and be in touch. All the best. Don't forget, 1st May is silver rate. Okay, buy as much as you can. Not like you must to buy. It is just sharing with you. The silver rate is going on, and we want to show this corrupted system that we like silver and we buy physical silver, not their ETF, SLV, and all other garbage paper fake. Okay, all the best. Bye bye, guys.